Hi, it's Michael, and today we have a question from Tessie Ilardi from Sacramento, California. And she asks, what is the perfect dive? Well, of course, it's the swan dive. By the way, it's the logo of the company. The swan dive is a very gracious dive in the air, and you might have seen some picture of that. But the most important part of this dive is that there is very little water display when the person gets into the water, and that's the art. A perfect dive is a dive where you displace the less of water. And if you look at championships and professional divers, you'll see that they always try to get into the water without much water display, like a spear. So the trick here is, if you're diving from a diving board, is to get in a horizontal position when you enter the pool. Quite difficult, I know. There is a trick. You leave the diving board imagining that you have an obstacle over which you have to go, at the height of your knees, for example. And you make your jump so that your feet come at the height of your knees and try to get horizontal into the water, like a spear. I said it before. And that could be a good exercise for you, and even a competition. Try to find out who goes the farthest in the pool without any movement but the dive. I hope this is helpful. Again, I'm not a YouTuber, I'm not an influencer, you know this by now, I suppose. I appreciate likes, I appreciate subscription, but for all, give us comments so we can grow the channel.